Abusia Brana Beshe Papaya, reason for the weekly Atta Ayi Motorbike repairer, Wada in a 23 years. Okay, Naniba, the second one, every 1 month. Na any court assets me free, ma yenti him right.
I feel happy. I didn't say,
you take off your mask. It's a happy day, we should see your face.
the motor fitter. She is a motor of and I'm for she is a motor of a chair. Make us a balcony with minimum and ameboa. Then I'm here, Joman, minimum the feeling.
And only wine.
Aye,
Atta Ayi. Okay.
Minimum the feeling. The minimum say, or a comfort and up or Jacobs. I'm here in a German.
I don't even say friend Atta Ayi.
Son, a friend. Minimum a Juma or a taxi driver. Oh. And they beat me one mammy, I am a corporal. No, I saw them never cheer me. See if you me, say, me no more boko. Me can be our man gentle. Am I a cheer me, auntie, sister, I bet you what more than 6 months. Near them call a man 8 years. Try a man 8 months, 210, the jail limit 30 years. See me when you say me, say, I'm a shop, not more shop, or shop no. Me na fufu nyina
Shop now you there.
Sheshe moto. Me ame wo me shop.
No way.
E wo korok. Ana na me wo ba boy ba ko. Ana oba no so na we nya like 1 month. Na chi mo ko. Se de na me bonya me pai. No obi ehun se asem e de to me so. Me ni mu hwe. Wa cha se. Ene e de attack me se me na conform here conform. Me so me mo ko no da. Me majuma na me watch us enti obi be adwuma ma wonti bi bisan se adwuma be no ye ansa na waye na adwuma ma me kan bibia e ma je Mr. Bafo bo no po ya de bo ma me o ya de pa e ma me lawyer nyina se de be si na esi
It's na
emras na me peja ni sa
na court ma be say Kofi na kwedo e de ba no na nche da eni se e de ba no o fele sen
o me feel up say o ma ye fe o ma hwehwe mo say ampa me ni mo hwe e cheche so usiesi moto mo bia say en cheche de ko no beto so say yam de so ma hwe wo mo say me ni mo bibia ti mo nyina me la wase
nti
Ababawa we ye friend Jennifer Agyekum. Ono na ne papa che se okwa fiase na wo 1 month. Ene akwalai e wo 23 years. Ono jina the fair wa boni to t-shirt no 23 years ena wenya. Asemo we Yaw Asante Agyekum. Ne back fe Ababawa to buru na waboni ti wo ono nti ma mi nso e.
When I been here, 1 hour means one day. Don't appeal. I'm only 23 years. I mean, you were just a year old. You were a year older.
just a year old.
When he was arrested.
A month actually.
How old are you now? 23. How does it feel like? Yeah, happy to see your father. When he comes home, what will be the first thing that you do?
What will you cook?
Fufu and what?
Like but I'm very happy. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Anytime when I go there and visit him, I feel sad. I can't even eat well if I visit him. But today, it's a taste of joy. I'm very happy.
one word orgasmic.
And what do you mean by orgasm?
It's just like the sheer relief and outpouring of joy when you realize the fruits of your hard labor. Because since 2014, when the then 2IC of Mr. prison, Mr. Oswan Ponza referred this case to me. I saw that there were merits in it and that there had been a massive miscarriage of justice. So I took it on, probably just because
his condition and his situation was very, very. It was something that I cannot even find a word to describe. Because as you heard from him, he had a son. His daughter was just 1 year old. He's a young budding man, starting his career as a mechanic, and then through no fault of his, just by association, by virtue of his work, he was sent to prison. So we began the fight, but it's been this long because when we started, there were no records of appeal to use even to start the appeal. So we had to apply. When we got to the court archive, they couldn't find it. It's been back and forth. It took only last year, after my persistence, that we got this record of appeal. And then, so the record was now before the judges. And then we wrote the submissions. But even then, when we thought, I think last month or 2 months ago when we came here, we thought the thing was ready. Again, there was a bit of a hitch in the sense that, and it's something to do with the judicial service and their ways. But it doesn't matter. They say the harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. I'm very glad for him, and I think he can come out and he can start a new life. And it's days like this that we get some sort of professional satisfaction in the sort of work we do.
Are you going to consider